If your Lucidchart account is running out of space, the good news is that you can clean things up quickly and free up room without a complicated process. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to free up space in Lucidchart by deleting unused documents, emptying the trash, and checking your available storage so you can stay organized and keep working smoothly. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, sign in to your Lucidchart account. Once you're inside, go to the Documents page. This is where you'll find all of the files stored in your account, including diagrams you may have created a long time ago and no longer need. A lot of users don't realize how much space old files can take up over time, especially if they've been saving duplicate versions or rough drafts of the same project. Now take a careful look through your documents list. Select the files you no longer need. These might be old diagrams, outdated flowcharts, archived project files, or duplicate documents you created while testing ideas. After selecting them, click Delete. This will move the documents into the trash folder instead of removing them permanently right away, which gives you a chance to review them before they're gone for good. A helpful example here is to remove old or duplicate diagrams that are no longer part of your current workflow. Not only does this help free up space, but it also makes your documents page much easier to manage. The less clutter you have, the faster it is to find the files that actually matter. Next, go back to the Documents page and open the trash folder. This step is important because deleted files are often still sitting in trash and may still be taking up space until you permanently remove them. Inside the trash folder, review everything carefully. Make sure you only delete files you truly no longer need. When you're ready, permanently delete the documents from trash. This is the step that actually clears them out of your account and helps free up storage. If you skip this part, the files may still remain in your account storage even though they're no longer visible in your main documents list. So if your goal is to reclaim space, emptying the trash is a must. Another quick example is this. If you deleted an old project last month but never emptied the trash, it may still be sitting there and using space. Clearing it out permanently is one of the easiest ways to reduce clutter in Lucidchart. Now, if you want to check how much space you actually have left, click on your profile icon, then go into Account Settings. From there, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. That's where Lucidchart shows your available space information. This is a great way to confirm whether your cleanup worked and whether you've opened up enough room for new documents. If you still need more space after deleting the documents and emptying the trash, go back and review your files again. Look for anything duplicated, outdated, or unnecessary. Sometimes one extra cleanup pass can make a big difference, especially if your account has been used for a long time or contains a lot of old team files. So to recap, the fastest way to free up space in Lucidchart is to delete unused documents, empty the trash, and then check your storage in account settings. That simple process can help you keep your account organized, improve your workflow, and make room for new diagrams without frustration. If this tutorial helped you out, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.